Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo, huh?
Where you
Where
at?
What up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, and it's cold outside, just in case you didn't know. But have you ever went to hop inside your C4 Corvette or any older Chevy vehicle? I'm saying you go to put the key in, turn it to crank, right? Is a security light every time you turn the key. You see I'm turning the key, get that security light. That means you got a VATS issue. VATS, vehicle anti-theft, something like that. And it's allowing your car not to start. I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that today. And it's quite simple, quite easy. Let's get into it. If y'all hear the truck running, it's because it's cold outside and I keep hopping in between, you know what I'm saying, recording and getting in the truck. We're gonna get this content by any means necessary. In order to do this properly, you're gonna need the resistance of your key. Every Chevy key, older Chevy key, has this black anode diode thingy. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to ohms. I believe it's 20K I had mine on, but you're gonna go to ohms, 20K. Take your leads, and you're gonna touch each side to the key. And when you do this, you'll get a number. You get that mug on both sides, you're gonna get a number. Mine is 2.96. And I think it's like 10 different numbers that you can get, but that number is really important, so remember it. You get that 2.96. Hopefully y'all can see that right there. So what that is, that's gonna be your ohm amount. Remember that, because like I said, there are 10 different options, I believe, that Chevy gave for each ignition switch. But that resistance right here, the resistor on here, allows the 12 volts to go to the relay, and I believe that relay is connected to the starter as well. But if it doesn't detect this, it won't allow that signal to go through. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start down here at the kick panel. This wire right here, which has an orange sheathing around it. So you're gonna find orange sheathing with 2 white wires, and then you're gonna find this yellow and black one. This is the one of interest that we need. So we're gonna cut this, and we're gonna utilize this to put our resistor. We're gonna tag our resistor into this. So let me cut this, and then I'll get back to y'all. Now that we got the wire cut, we're gonna strip this, and then we're also going to use insulation, heat shrink insulation on it, so we don't have to worry about this ever coming undone. Gonna take your wire strippers. Now that we got both wires stripped down, slide the insulation over both of them. So nice and tight. Then you're gonna take butt connector, which this actually may be too small. Alright, y'all, so I got that resistor here. You could also test both sides. Make sure you get something closer to the reading that your key resistor was. You see we're 0.02 off, so this should work. And then our little contraption from earlier, I just got butt connector, slid some insulation in over on top of it. You're gonna insert this into both sides. We got our little contraption set up now, so it's as simple as just plugging in bad boy back in. Alright, y'all, so as far as this VATS go, you see I'm out here at nighttime, man. You're gonna have to pop the front plate off of where the entertainment system is. You're gonna pull this screen out with all of your warning lights and everything, and scoot that to the side. And you're gonna come across this cable with a bunch of yellow thick wires. I don't know what gauge it is, but that's gonna be plugged into that fuse relay right here. If you want to bypass it completely, you're going to take that out of the relay section. And then, now that I got it out, you can see that I took a wire, and you're going to go to the 2 outermost prongs on the pins on the connectors. So one right here, and then the other at the bottom. And then once you do that, you'll bypass the VATS completely. So it doesn't really matter what fuse or what your resistance is. Anytime you turn the key, you see, and it'll do what it's supposed to do. So, ooh-wee, can y'all see me? Dark as night. That right there is how you bypass that VATS completely. I know my video started off with the resistance. I didn't have time to sit back and continue playing with that, nor did I feel like replacing it. So if you want to fully bypass it, that is how you do it. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy, and it's your boy J-Lo signing off this guy. Peace. Ooh.